Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of depict. Show or represent by a drawing, painting, or other art form. For example, paintings depicting Old Testament scenes. American pronunciation. Depict. Depict. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Depict. Say. Depict. Depict means represent by drawing, painting, or other art form. Depict. Depict. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Paintings of Timothy Thilakumar depict his deep attachment for flowers and woods. Now, repeat after me. Paintings of Timothy Thilakumar depict his deep attachment for flowers and woods. The second practice. The viewer is first confronted with a painting depicting a large telephone. Now, repeat after me. The viewer is first confronted with a painting depicting a large telephone.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.